Yeah. It's that time again. That's what we doing today. Introduce y'all to Romanesque. It's one of the things I'm gonna be using. Broccoli, purple broccoli, onions, candy cane peppers. Let's get started. Alright, so we'll start off by chopping up this Romanesque first. Now the history behind it, from what I know so far, is broccoli and cauliflower cross pollinated. Inside white like cauliflower, the outside green like, well, a greenish color, almost like broccoli. But from when I stole a little taste of it, more so got cauliflower taste. I might get some more later. Try it in the smoothie. Now let's see what this purple broccoli about. One thing I love about fresh broccoli, it cuts so easy. Now, it's time for these sweet candy canes. See where they go. Kind of got like a bell pepper smell. Clean the seeds, plant them next year, see what I can do with them. Yeah. Take your taste. Okay, got like a green pepperish taste of color. They're pretty good. Got like a nice little sweetness to it. They sweeter than the bell. It's kind of like pepper meets a cherry. So this is how thin or thick, whatever you want to label it. This is how I cut my candy cane peppers. Got kind of too involved in my rhythm. Now I'm gonna cut the broccoli. It's pretty much already done. But yeah. Now, before we continue with the cooking video, just a little side note. I'm cleaning the seeds to the sweet, to the candy cane peppers. This is a little bit of peroxide, mostly water. Let it sit in there. Drying process. I already have a video where I clean the seeds. It'll be in the description. And this is the clippings and stuff. I'm going to make a plant smoothie for my compost. I'll also put that in the description. In the meantime, I'm making my final preparations. Go ahead and let the stove heat up. Pour a little bit of olive oil in there. Not too much. But just swish it around. I might got this a little too high. I'm gonna put the stove on like 2. Matter of fact, I might just put it, I'm gonna put it in between low and 2. Alright, now so I got everything cut up and prepared. Got it inside a bowl. Got the Italian dressing. We'll squeeze that up in there. It was only a little bit, so I just put the last bit of it in there. Let that sit there for probably like a good 5 minutes before I start. Alright, now everything prepped and ready. As far as the cook time, it's all up to you depending on how you like your vegetables. Some people like them crunchy, some people like them soft. Me, I like them mainly crunchy soft, you know how I come up. But I'm more so into the crunchy stuff. As far as my seasonings, using this. Bay. Can't go wrong with the pepper. Oh. So yeah, man. If you got any ideas on what you would have added, what you could have added, put it in the comments. Let me know what you think. If you make it, let me know how it turned out for you. Conclude the video. No, it don't conclude it. I'm gonna show y'all when it's done. It's turning out pretty good. Pretty good. And then if you can just smell it. Smells so flavorful, I know it's gonna taste flavorful. Yeah, man, finished product, you know. Like I said, when you cook this all up to you, I like to leave mine crunchy. You cook it till it's softened. But yeah. Yeah, the main thing I wanted to try out the Romanesco. So I'll saute it up, see how it tastes. More so like a cauliflower taste, but yeah. Go make you some.